it's Nick, and today we are in a more laid-back setup. I've got no makeup on because we are going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. I'm so terrified. 5 minutes to do my makeup. I'm not even sure if I can do it, but we shall see. Because usually I like take around 15, 20. If I want to take my time, 30 minutes to do my makeup in the morning. So wish me luck. We shall see. I already have my makeup right here that I need for this makeup challenge. I hope that's not cheating because I need already the stuff here that's easy to grab so that I'll be able to make the most out of my 5 minutes. I can do this. I can do this. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that red button right now so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And now let's brace ourselves and let's get into the 5-minute makeup challenge. Okay, here we are, and just so you know, I will really take this 5-minute makeup challenge seriously. Like if I was going to walk out the door in just 5 minutes and have to do my makeup, this is what I'm going to do. So let's do this. So what I'm going to do is set the timer on my phone and panic once I hit start. Okay. Ito na talaga. Okay, ready? Go. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, first, I don't care about primer. I'm just going to put like a base right away on my face. Just a BB cream to even things out. Oh my god, my hair. Okay, on my cheeks. Here, so just to even things out. I can't believe I'm actually still talking while doing this. Okay. Here on my chin and then a little bit on my neck because we could never forget the neck because we don't want any weird lines on our chin area or our jawline. So that's that. Ugh. So just even out the base. And then I can't go without concealer because I got amazing dark circles that I need to cover. So I'm just doing that. Oh my god. I have to do this. Okay. Okay, cover those bags as if we really slept last night. Okay, that's it. And then to make sure that everything, holy mother of, that's totally a waste of time. I could just drop my concealer. So that's the real life of myself in the morning. So now I have my setting powder and I just need to set the under eye concealer so that it won't budge. So just a light dusting, not too much. Okay, done. Okay, now I'll just set the rest of my face a little bit with another face powder because I'm oily and I need powder in my life to save me on my, you know, everyday life. So now is the brows because that's important. I can't go with this brows, so I'm going to do this fairly quickly. Can I do this? I usually take like 5 minutes just to do my brows. Oh my god, Lord help me. Breathe in, breathe out. Can do this. Brush. I think that's fine. We're gonna do a natural brow. Oh my god, I still have like BB cream on my hair. Oh my gosh, I have 2.5 minutes left to do this. Okay, I guess our brows are going to be distant cousins for now, not sisters. Okay, and then eyelashes because I need to have my eyelash curl to make myself look more awake. 2 minutes left. Curl. Mascara. Oh my god, this is a new mascara. Hope this doesn't feel. Oh my god, why is there black here? Oh my god. I'm gonna fix it later. Going to, oh, this is mascara. See, instantly awake. Oh my god, I've got 1.5 minutes. Made me instantly awake, and mascara all over my eyelids. Okay. No time to put on the lower lash line because I know I will mess that up. Okay, and then I'm going to put lip gloss. Lip gloss, and then oh my god, can I just do blush? Blush 15 seconds. Blush. sounds. Oh my god, why is there black here? Okay, 1 second. Okay, done. Okay, 5 minutes, and this is what I got done. Do I look half decent with this face? I think I accomplished just enough for 5 minutes. I can't believe it. That's how I would do my 5-minute makeup. As you can see, I was like panicking all over the place, you know, dropping everything. And that's really me in real life, you know. I'm just happy that I was able to get my brows done in less than 5 minutes. Like, what? Okay, I guess our brows are going to be distant cousins for now, not sisters. It's not perfect, but you know, they're there. That's what matters. I'm so happy for myself that I was able to do this in 5 minutes. Not bad. Not bad, Nick. Good job. I'm actually going somewhere after this, and I'm probably going to wear this, I promise. So yeah, let me guys know what I did in the comment section down below. Probably not my most poised and graceful moment, but you know, keeping it real with you guys. So yeah, I want to know if you guys are going to do your makeup in 5 minutes, what is that one thing that you cannot do without? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.